If you want to become a web developer to change the world, so you have definitely know what is JavaScript and why I have to learn this and what the role of JavaScript in web development. So now I want your attention, first of all, to show your website you need a browser. Right, but any browser cannot understand every programming language directly. Browsers are designed to understand specific languages that are essential for rendering and interacting with websites. HTML for structuring the content of web pages, CSS for styling the web pages, and JavaScript for adding interactivity and dynamic behavior. Yes, browsers only understand these three languages. Browsers do not directly understand other programming languages like Python, Java, or C#. However, these can be used in web development when combined with tools that translate them into browser-compatible code. Languages like Python, PHP, or Java run on servers to handle data or logic, sending results to the browser via HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Without JavaScript, your website would be like photo or PDF. By using JavaScript, you can create interactive components like buttons that react when clicked, forms that validate user input instantly, dynamic updates like live sports scores or news feeds, and so on. JavaScript, along with HTML and CSS, is one of the three foundational technologies for building websites. To work as a front-end developer, you need JS to make user interfaces functional. Most websites and applications rely on JavaScript. Big companies like Google, Uber, and Netflix use it to build their platforms, back-end and full-stack development. With tools like Node.js, JavaScript isn't just for front-end. You can also build server-side applications, making you a full-stack web developer. JavaScript is a cornerstone of web development. Starting with JavaScript can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you'll build confidence and skills quickly.